Welcome back to Max Math Lovers. Today, we are solving this beautiful math problem. Let's dive in. We have the equation x to the power of x to the 6 equals root 2 to the root 2. We raise both sides of the equation to the 6th power. On the left, we multiply the exponents to get x to the 6 raised to the x to the 6. On the right, we convert the root base to 2, dividing the exponents by 2. We break down the 6 in the exponent into 3 times 2 to calculate. We convert the square root of 2 in the exponent into 2 to the 1/2. We add the exponents of the bases to 1 plus 1/2. This gives us an exponent of 3/2. We rewrite the base as 2 to the 3/2 to look for symmetry. Now we have the same structure. 2 to the 3/2 raised to 2 to the 3/2. By analogical comparison, x to the 6 must be equal to 2 to the 3/2. We take the cube root of both sides to reduce the exponents. We get that x squared is equal to 2 to the 1/2. We apply the square root to remove the final square. We express that root as a power of 1/2. We multiply the exponents and the result is 2 to the 1/4. If you enjoyed this solution, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next challenge.